If you are holding cryptocurrencies of any sort, this is an emergency video that you cannot miss. The crypto market is crashing. It's continuing to crash. And the reason for this is Russia has finally invaded Ukraine. But fortunately, the market did not crash crazy. We saw 10% dips, 12% dips, nothing crazy like 20 or 30%, which is good. But the market is also bouncing up at the same time. But here is the thing, is this a dead cat bounce? Are we just bouncing up a little bit and continue to head down in this downtrend? Well, in this video, I'm going to be answering all of these questions, comments, and concerns, things that you cannot miss, because Dogecoin literally went to 10 cents last night. Cryptocurrencies are at lows that we have not seen in a very long time, and this is crazy. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on, and also smash up the like button if you have not done so already, because the YouTube algorithm does not like to share crypto videos, and by smashing up the like button, we can really break the algorithm and share this video with people who need to hear this information. Also, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, where I'm putting my constant day trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, having specific entry and exit points, stop losses. You can speak to me on the phone. There's a whole bunch of things to make you money in my Patreon. We also have a free Discord, a free Telegram. Go ahead and join that below. Make sure you follow all of my socials. Check out the links in my video description if you want to learn technical analysis. A whole bunch of stuff in my video description to make you money quickly in cryptocurrency. Definitely check it out. And don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $3,000. All you have to do is create an account with my link below, deposit 1 penny or more. Now, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video, because we have some very important things to cover. So as we see, the whole crypto market, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, has dropped significantly last night. Yes, and fortunately, us in the Patreon, we were able to sell way before this drop happened yesterday, and we were able to break in some profits with some small trades. So I'm super happy that we were able to pull out of the crypto market, and then we were able to buy this dip. That is how you make a lot of money. If you can pull out before drops happen and buy the dips, and dollar cost averaging, when you can get into these dips, these crashes, is where the most of the money is made in cryptocurrencies, in my opinion. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below. Are you guys dollar cost averaging? Do you guys buy these dips? Do you look for opportunities to buy dips? Because Warren Buffett said it the best. When people are fearful, that's when you become greedy. That's when I'm most excited, when the crypto market crashes, because we can trade the heck out of it and make so much money. But here is the thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at why the market is crashing. We're going to go lower. Stay tuned. Now watch this. So the whole market is down. We are seeing the whole market is down. Ethereum down 7%, 5%. Bitcoin, BNB down 7%. XRP down 13%. Guys, these prices are rock bottom prices. Cardano, guys, at 82 cents. Cardano is not going to stay at 82 cents for very long. Solana, guys, $86, down 3%. Terra is actually up today. Can you believe it? Terra, we've been buying Terra the last several days, making a lot of money with these small trades in Terra. It is up. The last 24 hours, Terra is up despite the crash. Terra is always doing that. We have Avalanche down 8%. So most cryptocurrencies are down 8%, 5%, all the way up to 12 to 14% in the higher ranges. Nothing crazy, but look at this. The global crypto market is under $2 trillion at $1.5 trillion, down 10% today. The reason for this, as we have been talking about, and as I have been warning you guys for the last couple of weeks, the market is bearish. It is headed lower. And I always am optimistic, hoping for a bounce and a pump every single day. Of course, that's just how I like to work. But I'm always realistic with you guys and telling you most likely what is going to be happening. And as we've been calling out the last couple of weeks, it is looking like we are headed lower, because we've been forming bearish patterns, which I have been showing you in the charts and in the Patreon. That's why we are able to make money and buy the dips and sell before crashes like this happen, because we see it in the charts. The charts show us almost everything. But understanding that there's all this Russia invasion FUD, that there's this crypto regulation FUD, all of this FUD out there, there's something that is going to cause to give way to bring the market down. And it's finally coming down. But fortunately, the market has not gone down too much. So look at this. Cryptocurrencies dipped 12% as Russian ruble hits all-time low against the US dollar on Ukraine military operation. So what we are seeing, Russia has been bombing Ukraine. Russia has been invading Ukraine. And since last night, ever since we heard reports, official reports of this, it has been dropping the crypto market. It's very unfortunate for what is happening in Ukraine with this invasion. It's surely unfortunate for all the people in Ukraine, for the people that are affected by this scenario. And I am sorry if you are dealing with this. This might actually be the bottom of the market. Of course, we do know that Biden is going to be speaking sometime, creating an executive order for cryptocurrency regulation, which really isn't going to be doing anything to cryptocurrencies. They're just looking into cryptocurrencies for the next 5 to 6 months and coming back with a report what that the government should be doing. That's all that's going to be happening. So Russia has already invaded Ukraine, and there may be more news to come out of Russia doing this or that, bombing and attacking, doing this or that, which may or may not happen, but it's more likely because they've just started an invasion. But since this is happening, maybe this was actually the bottom of the market. Maybe we are seeing the bottom of the market right now. That last night was the bottom of the market. But I personally think there may be more drops underway. It's just my opinion, not financial advice. I think there could be more drops underway with more FUD and news to come out based on Russia and Ukraine and other world events that are circulating around this. So I think there could be more FUD to come out, which of course more FUD will drop the prices further. But there's also a chance of us actually being at the bottom of the market. So we want to be completely honest and transparent about that. And since this is a chance for this to be the bottom of the market, because if I go ahead into the charts and I show you guys, look at this. I show you literally about a month ago, we were at these same exact ranges for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was around 34,000. Last night we hit around 34,000, and now Bitcoin is at 36,000 and bouncing up very fast. So what actually this could be is this could be the bottom of the market, and we could try to bounce up from here. And then by a month's time, we could potentially see some significant gains, 30 to 50, 60% gains in the crypto market. With a lot of cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, we could be getting in the bounce. And when there is a chance of the market bouncing up, that's when we want to buy the dips, because we do know that if we are potentially at the bottom, we never know when we are at the bottom for sure until we start to see signs of recovery and say, okay, that was the bottom. We never know when the bottom is. But since we have dropped and crashed so fast, so significantly, there is a strong chance that we are at the bottom or that we are at least near the bottom. I don't think the market will go down significantly from this point, but we could see another 10 to 15, maybe 20%, 25, 30% correction at the most. But those would just be incredible discounts, incredible buying opportunities. In my opinion, I don't think we would go down that far because the crypto market has not, if we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has not gone past $30,000 in a very, very long time. And I don't think it's gonna ever happen, in my opinion, unless something crazy or catastrophic would to happen. So in my opinion, if we take a look at technical analysis, and this chart right here shows us every single cryptocurrency is comprised into one cryptocurrency, we can see that we are surely in a downtrend, but we are in the bottom. We are near the bottom. We are bouncing in this downtrend right now, but this bounce may not last very long. This bounce might just get rejected at this resistance level here, and then we may continue the downtrend all the way from way up there. So we may continue this downtrend. We are at resistance right now, which was the previous support level. So we're gonna have to keep a very close eye on it, and I will try to alert you guys and make a video whenever something crazy like this happens to keep you updated at all steps of the way. But in the Patreon, you are updated at every single step of the way, every single second, whenever it is absolutely important and time critical. You guys get alerts when to buy, when to sell. Definitely recommend checking that out. So in my opinion, we just need to be wary. The market can drop a bit further, in my opinion, but dollar cost averaging, buying the dips in these levels is certainly going to pay off for us in the future, because these dips, these crashes are not going to be lasting forever. And we are certainly this year, most likely very soon, most likely in the month of March, in my opinion. I think the month of March all the way leading up to April is going to be very, very bullish. That's just my opinion. That's my take on the market. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions on the market? Do you think the market is going to be bullish anytime soon? Do you think we won't see bullishness until later at the end of the year? What do you all think? What are you guys doing right now? Are you dollar cost averaging? Are you buying the dips? Let me know in the comments below. And that's going to be it for today's video. So if you got something out of this video, if you appreciate these short, quick emergency videos, give this video a thumbs up below up the comment sections, and I will see you all later.